Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if the Microsoft Print to PDF is not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing here would be to open up the search menu, type in Windows Features, best match, you'll come back with turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and select that, and then scroll down and select where it says Microsoft Print to PDF. If the box is unchecked or unfilled, it's just an empty box in here. Check mark inside of there and select OK and give it a moment. And then once that's done, go ahead and close out of here. And I would suggest restarting your computer. And hopefully if it was unchecked before and you just check marked it, hopefully now that option should be available. If you're still having a problem, go ahead and open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, you'll come back with a command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I'm going to have 4 commands in the description of my video here, guys. They're all going to be pretty quick to run here. So go ahead and copy the first one. It's going to be the net stop spooler. And you can just type it in as well, but I notice there's less human error if you just go ahead and copy and paste them in. So go ahead and copy the first one and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit and then paste it in, hit enter. Again, these are all in the description of my video. So I get all these comments from people, not that many, because obviously most people do not comment, but there's always a handful every day that come across my videos and say, oh, I can't find the commands. Well, they're underneath commands used section in the description of the video right up at the top. It's pretty hard to miss, and I would say probably 99% of the people do find them successfully. It's just that 1%, and since I have so many people who watch my videos, it just seems like there's a lot of people when in reality it's a very, very small minority. But anyway, go ahead and copy the second command. Go ahead and run that one as well and hit enter and let this run here. Go ahead and paste in the third command at this time. And then we're going to start the print spooler service. That's going to be the final command here. And just give it a moment and we should be good to go. So hopefully at this point, if you want to go ahead and try and print a PDF through the menu, the dialog window, however you were doing it before, hopefully that option should be available at least in Windows. And if you're trying to print from a web browser, just make sure you click on the drop down if you have different printers installed, and make sure you select Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF. Some web browsers might have it named as. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.